I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Cadillac Escalade key fob. First, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver or a coin works best. Find a clean, well-lit area to work. Carefully examine your key fob to locate the small slot, usually found along one of its edges. This slot is where you will begin the opening process. Be gentle and take your time. Now, carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or coin into the small slot you located. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. You should feel a slight give as the casing starts to unclip. Work slowly around the edge, applying steady, even pressure to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new replacement battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just as the old one was. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm that it is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.